Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Echo Show 15 refuses to connect to Wi-Fi or keeps losing its internet connection, it can affect everything from video calls and smart home controls to calendar updates and streaming features. Connection issues with the Echo Show 15 can happen for several reasons, including router interruptions, incorrect passwords, weak signals, or temporary software glitches. The good news is that many of these problems can be resolved without performing a factory reset. Before assuming there is a hardware issue, there are several simple troubleshooting methods worth trying. In this video, I'll walk you through a few easy steps that may help reconnect your Echo Show 15 to Wi Fi successfully. Step 1. Move the Echo Show 15 closer to your wireless router and make sure the signal strength is sufficient. Step 2. Verify that the Wi Fi password entered on the Echo Show 15 is correct. Step 3. Restart your router and allow the Echo Show 15 enough time to search for the network again. Step 4. Disconnect the Echo Show 15 from power for several minutes before plugging it back in. Step 5. Open the network settings on the Echo Show 15 and reconnect it to your preferred Wi Fi network. Step 6. Confirm that the Echo Show 15 is back online.